Hospitality is more than just a job. It's a people-driven career. Every guest interaction, every team moment, and every challenge depends on how you show up as a professional. While technical skills are important, soft skills are what truly define great hospitality professionals and set them apart in the industry. Today, we are sharing 5 essential soft skills every hospitality professional needs to succeed. Skill 1. Communication. Clear, confident, and friendly communication is key in hospitality. From welcoming guests to working with coworkers and managers, the way you communicate shapes the guest experience. Good communication builds trust, prevents misunderstandings, and creates positive connections. Skill 2. Adaptability. No 2 days are ever the same in hospitality. Schedules change, guest needs evolve, and unexpected situations happen. Being flexible, calm, and open to change helps you stay professional and focused, even during busy or challenging shifts. Skill 3. Teamwork. Great service doesn't happen alone. Hospitality is about teamwork, supporting others, sharing responsibilities, and working toward a common goal. Skill 4. Problem solving. Guests may face issues, but what they remember is how you respond. Strong problem-solving skills turn challenges into positive experiences. Skill 5. Professional attitude. A professional attitude shows in everything you do. Showing up on time, staying positive, respecting others, and taking responsibility for your work builds trust and credibility. These habits shape how others see you and open doors for future opportunities. These soft skills develop with time, effort, and experience. Every shift is a chance to learn, grow, and improve. Start practicing them today. Stay committed to your growth, and you'll build a strong foundation, not just for your next role, but for a long and successful career in hospitality.